Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a tuna pie sandwich. First, gather your fresh ingredients, then prepare the savory tuna mixture. Next, we'll assemble the sandwich using your favorite bread, and finally, enjoy a quick and satisfying meal. This guide will walk you through each simple step to create a delicious and easy lunch or dinner option that's perfect for any time. Now, let's create that perfect tuna filling. Start by draining 1 can of tuna very well to avoid a watery sandwich. Then, in a bowl, combine the tuna with 2 tablespoons of creamy mayonnaise. For a delightful texture, add 1/4 cup of finely chopped celery. Finish by seasoning with salt and pepper to your personal taste, mixing everything thoroughly. With your tuna mixture ready, it's time to build your masterpiece. Select 2 slices of your favorite bread, whether it's whole wheat, sourdough, or white. Spread the tuna mixture evenly across 1 slice, ensuring good coverage. For added freshness and flavor, layer on some crisp lettuce and juicy tomato slices. Finally, place the second slice of bread on top to complete your sandwich. Your delicious tuna pie sandwich is now complete. For a classic presentation and easier handling, cut the sandwich diagonally. Serve it immediately alongside a crunchy side like potato chips or a refreshing fruit salad. If you happen to have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator. This simple recipe makes one satisfying sandwich, perfect for a quick meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.